Welcome to PTFX University, where motivated individuals can earn direct commissions, high-ticket commissions, and monthly residual income by introducing customers to our trading products and services. You don't have to create your own products. We've already done that for you. Your job is simple. Connect the right customer with the PTFX product or service that best fits their goals. As a member of the PTFX Sales Team, you can currently promote 4 primary offers: the PTFX Gold Rush AutoTrader, the PTFX Silver Rush AutoTrader, Self-Funded Account Management, also known as SAM, and the PTFX CopyCat service. Let's break down exactly how you can get paid. The PTFX Gold Rush is automated trading software designed specifically for the gold market. Sell a 1-year Gold Rush license for $1,000, and you earn up to 40% per sale. Sell a lifetime Gold Rush license for $2,500, and you also earn up to 40% per sale. The PTFX Silver Rush provides automated trading software designed specifically for the silver market. Its commission structure is exactly the same. Sell a 1-year Silver Rush license for $1,000 and earn up to 40% per sale. Sell a lifetime license for $2,500 and also agent earn up to 40% per sale. That means one qualified AutoTrader sale can potentially put up to between $400 and $1,000 in your pocket, and you won't have to wait weeks to get paid. Qualified Gold Rush and Silver Rush commissions are paid within 24 hours after the customer's payment has been received and verified. In many cases, commissions are paid within only a few hours. Available payout methods include Zelle, PayPal, and approved cryptocurrency options. Next is SAM, Self-Funded Account Management. SAM is designed for customers who want experienced traders to manage their personally funded trading accounts. With the standard SAM option, the customer pays a one-time $1,000 seeding fee, and you earn $250. If the customer chooses lifetime account management for $2,000, you earn $500. But here is where it gets even better. Standard SAM customers pay $149 per month to maintain their active seat. As the referring sales team member, you earn $50 every month that your qualified customer successfully renews and remains eligible. 10 active SAM customers could potentially generate $500 per month. 20 active customers could potentially generate $1,000 per month in residual commissions. Next is the PTFX CopyCat, our automated trade copying service. Once a compatible trading account is properly connected, qualifying trades from the PTFX master account can be automatically copied directly to the customer's account. The CopyCat service costs $149 per month. You earn $50 when your qualified customer enrolls, and another $50 each month that the customer successfully renews and remains eligible. That gives you immediate commission potential and recurring monthly income from the same referral. Let's recap. You can earn $400 from a qualified 1-year Gold Rush or Silver Rush sale. You can earn $1,000 from a qualified lifetime AutoTrader sale. You can earn $250 from a standard SAM enrollment. You can earn $500 from a lifetime SAM enrollment. And you can build monthly residual income through qualified SAM and CopyCat renewals. One introduction could potentially become a high-ticket commission. Multiple active customers could help you develop a meaningful stream of residual income. Your results will depend on your effort, marketing activity, completed sales, customer retention, successful payments, and ability to represent the products responsibly. Ready to join the PTFX Sales Team? Visit PTFXSalesTeam.com and complete the registration form. That's PTFXSalesTeam.com. Tell us about your marketing experience and choose your preferred commission payment method. Once your registration has been reviewed, PTFX support will contact you with your affiliate package, referral information, promotional materials, and instructions for getting started. For assistance, contact PTFX admin on Telegram or email ptfxsupport@gmail.com. Visit PTFXSalesTeam.com today and apply to join the PTFX Sales Team. We look forward to working with you.